Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will continue the chapter coordinate geometry. Today we will solve practice set 5.1 example number 6. First we recall rhombus. Can you tell me the definition of rhombus? A quadrilateral is a rhombus if all of its sides are congruent. In this quadrilateral, its all sides are congruent. Therefore, the quadrilateral is a rhombus. Show that the point A having coordinate -4, -7, B having coordinate -1, 2, C having coordinate 8, 5, and D having coordinate 5, -4 are vertices of rhombus ABCD. To show the quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus, that means we have to show that its all sides AB is congruent to BC, is congruent to CD, is congruent to AD. Therefore, we have to find out the distance AB, distance BC, distance CD and distance AD. Therefore, by using distance formula, we know that distance between any two points is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. By distance formula, distance AB is equal to, we have to subtract the coordinate of point A from coordinate of point B. Remember this. काय करायला पाहिजे आपल्याला इथे? तर B मधून A चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचेत. Therefore, tell me the x coordinate of point B is how much? -1 minus into bracket. X coordinate of point A is how much? -4. Bracket complete, its square plus into bracket. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Tell me the y coordinate of point B is how much? 2 minus into bracket. Y coordinate of point A is how much? -7. Bracket complete, its square. Now we simplify this. AB is equal to root of -1 as it is. We know that multiplication of same sign always positive. Therefore, minus into minus becomes as +4. Bracket square plus 2 as it is. Here also the multiplication of same sign always positive. Therefore, +7 bracket square. Here 1 has negative sign and 4 has positive sign. Therefore, we take subtraction is equal to root of 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3, its square plus 2 and 7 have same sign. Therefore, we take addition. 7 plus 2 is nothing but 9, its square is equal to square of 3 is nothing but 9 plus square of 9 is nothing but 81. 81 plus 9 is nothing but how much? 90. Therefore, distance AB is equal to root of 90. This is the equation number 1. Now we find out the distance BC. Therefore, we draw this quadrilateral again. Distance BC means we have to subtract the coordinate of point B from coordinate of point C. That means C मधून काय करायचे? B चे coordinate subtract करायचे. Therefore, first we take subtraction between their x coordinate. Tell me the x coordinate of point C is how much? 8 minus x coordinate of point B is how much? -1, its bracket square plus. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Y coordinate of point C is how much? 5 minus into bracket. Y coordinate of point B is how much? 2 bracket complete, its square. Now we simplify this. BC is equal to root of 8 as it is. We know that the multiplication of same sign always positive. Therefore, plus 1 bracket complete, its square plus 5 plus into minus becomes as minus 2 its square. Now in the first bracket 8 and 1 have same sign, therefore we take addition. 8 plus 1 is nothing but 9 its square, plus 5 and 2 have opposite sign, therefore we take subtraction. 5 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 3 its square is equal to root of the square of 9 is nothing but 81 plus the square of 3 is nothing but 9, and 81 plus 9 is nothing but 90, therefore BC is equal to root of 90. This is the equation number 2. Now we find the distance between the point C and D. Therefore, again by using distance formula, distance CD is equal to, remember this, काय करायला पाहिजे इथे? D मधून काय करायचे? C चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. Tell me the x coordinate of point D. How much? 5 minus into bracket x coordinate of point C is how much? 8. Bracket complete, its square is plus into bracket. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Tell me y coordinate of point D is how much? Negative 4 minus into bracket. Y coordinate of point C is how much? 5. Bracket complete, its square. Now we simplify this. CD is equal to root of 5 as it is. Multiplication of opposite sign always negative, therefore give the sign of negative. 8 as it is, bracket complete, its square, plus into second bracket negative 4 as it is. Here 5 has plus sign, therefore we know that the multiplication of opposite sign always negative, therefore negative 5 as it is, bracket complete, its square. In the first bracket 8 and 5 has opposite sign, therefore here 8 is greater than 5, therefore give the sign of 8, and 8 minus 5 is nothing but 3, therefore negative 3, bracket square, plus 4 and 5 has same sign, therefore give the same sign and then take addition. 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9, therefore negative 9, bracket square. We know that the square of negative number always positive, therefore the square of negative 3 is nothing but how much? 9, plus square of negative 9 is nothing but 81. 9 plus 81 is nothing but 90, therefore CD is equal to root of 90. This is the equation number 3. Now we find out distance AD. Therefore distance AD कसं करणार आपण इथे? D मधून काय करायचे? A चे कोऑर्डिनेट सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. First we take subtraction between their x coordinate. The x coordinate of points D is how much? 5 minus into bracket x coordinate of point A is how much? Negative 4, bracket complete, its square. Now we take subtraction between their y coordinate. Tell me y coordinate of point D is how much? Negative 4 minus into bracket the y coordinate of point A is how much? Negative 7, bracket complete, its square. Now we simplify this. AD is equal to root of 5. We know that the multiplication of same sign always positive, therefore minus into minus becomes as plus. 4 as it is, its square, plus negative 4 as it is, minus into minus becomes as plus. 7 as it is, its square, is equal to 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9, bracket square, plus in the second bracket 4 has a negative sign and 7 has a positive sign, therefore these two numbers have opposite sign, then we take subtraction. Here 7 is greater than 4, therefore 7 minus 4 is nothing but how much? 3. Its bracket square is equal to root of the square of 9 is nothing but 81 and square of 3 is nothing but 9. 81 plus 9 is nothing but 90, therefore AD is equal to root of 90. This is the equation number 4. The length of AB is equal to how much? Root of 90. From 2, the length of BC is nothing but root of 90 and length of CD is nothing but root of 90, and from 4, the length of AD is nothing but root of 90. That means this quadrilateral have its all sides are congruent from 1 to 3 and 4. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. That means all sides of quadrilaterals are congruent to each other. Therefore, by the definition of rhombus, we say that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Therefore, point ABCD are the vertices of rhombus ABCD. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video. Thank you.